When most people think about Walker mowers, they usually think about the quality of cut or how they handle. But one feature that doesn't always get talked about is maintenance. Walker designed these machines to make routine maintenance quick and straightforward, helping you spend less time working on the mower and more time using it.
So this thing is extremely easy to maintenance. We can easily pick up on the hopper. We can easily access everything, our belts, our battery, our hydrostatic transmissions. Everything is right here, easy to work on. Most of our belts you can change without tools. It's just a simple, easy mower to operate and to work on. Another nice thing that they did is they actually developed a pivoting jack shaft assembly. So in the past, in order to remove a blower out of one of these machines, you physically had to take it out the bottom. So what this allows us to do is this allows us to access our blower housing, check our maintenance, get to our belts, flip the jack shaft out of the way, and we can actually remove the blower housing out of the tractor simply by doing that. So huge, advantageous upgrade as far as maintenance goes.
Thoughtful design goes a long way. Easy access to the engine, belts, and other service points means routine maintenance can be completed more efficiently. Whether you're maintaining one mower or several, those small time savings can really add up.
We're getting ready to mow the grass here, and I just wanted to go ahead and check the blades, see how things are looking, make sure everything's healthy. We're just going to go through the simplicity of the Walker mower and how we can do that. So in order to check the blades or lift the deck up for any sort of maintenance reasons, we're going to pop out these two pins on the side. We're going to prepare our deck for lifting by lifting this latch there, pick up on it, drop it in, and we're done. So now we have the ability to check the conditions of our blades, torque our blade nuts, check our shear bolts, make sure our deck doesn't have a bunch of buildup in it, and we're ready to mow. So now everything's okay. We either got our blade sharp changed or checked out. We're gonna drop it back down. Release the latch, set the deck down, a little bit of wiggle there, and we're ready to mow.
Performance matters, but ownership matters too. When maintenance is simple, it's easier to keep your equipment ready to work. It's another example of the practical design choices that have helped Walker earn such a loyal following.